So when I give AI workshops, I charge about $1,000 to $4,000 per hour. And I'm finishing up this week with my first cohort where I've been teaching 60 people how to also do this. We started 3 weeks ago and some of the students have already secured workshops, with the rest of them moving on to securing them very shortly. Because of the success of the early students and the first 60 people coming through the cohort program, we are launching cohort number 2. We're now taking applications for cohort 2. If you follow the link in my bio, you're going to find the button that's going to take you right there. You fill out a few simple questions and then we're going to get back to you. We have over 500 applicants, so it takes us a little bit of time to go through your application, but please bear with us. So last time we did a launch, lots of people were asking, well, what's in the cohort? So now I can give you the full answer. This is also on a page, which you're going to find in the link in my bio. So what you're going to get is primarily licensing for my workshop material so that you can go out and teach them yourself. This is going to save you hundreds of hours of making these workshops yourself. And instead of giving you just one workshop, I'm actually going to give you 4 plus 1 bonus. So you're going to end up with a whole menu of different workshops that you can go and provide to organizations, including a 3-hour half-day workshop, which you can charge a lot of money for. So on top of the licensed materials, what I am actually doing is running you through a 4-week course. This is the cohort part where you're going to be given education about how to actually set up a business about selling these materials. So that starts with the first week. That's going to be Monday, the 5th of August, where we're going to be talking about how to lock down what your industry is, what your niche is, and how you're going to start to think about marketing. Week 2 is actually going to be about deploying that marketing plan. We're talking about inbound and outbound marketing and how you go at your niche. Week 3 is going to be about tailoring the workshop so that it seems like you custom built it for your client. And week 4 is about workshop facilitation, how to deliver workshops both online and offline. And then we talk about how you're going to scale up your business from there. As well as all of this, there are going to be 1-hour live calls every single week where you can ask me anything. And you're going to have access to cohort 1. This is, as you can see, a very engaged group of people who are building their businesses, and you're going to be able to learn from them and they're going to be able to learn from you all together. And on top of that, I'm going to be giving you lots of business assets that I personally use. So these are things like pitch decks, emails, proposals, one-pagers, the surveys I send out pre and post workshops, and a lot of other assets are going to help you. We now know that all of this works because we have 60 students and we have people who are already picking up workshops. So I'm very confident launching cohort 2 on the 5th of August, knowing that this is a very high value package for you. On that, if you did apply for cohort 1 but you didn't hear back from us, we had some difficulties with emails. You have now been sent, as of today, an email with reference to your application. So we'd like to have you into cohort 2, so make sure you check your email. Alternatively, if you haven't applied yet but you're interested in, then follow the link in my bio. There's going to be a page that's giving you a lot more detail than I can give you in this short video, and then followed by an application form where you can give us details about yourself and we can make sure that this is going to work for you.